Thank you very much, Deepika. Thank you, Konkana. And wonderful to hear Omji speak. I hope I can become like you because Shah Rukh can't act, Salah. And I was told by my doctor really not to be here for a couple of months not to go out. But actors are like this. They need to go out and meet people and be with them. So मैं भागकर यहाँ पर आ गया क्योंकि जितेश जो फिल्म फेयर आजकल हिट कर रहे हैं उन्होंने मुझे आकर बताया कि लाइफ इज़ अबाउट होप एंड पॉजिटिविटी एंड आई रियली कुड नॉट सी एनीथिंग पॉजिटिव एंड होपफुल अबाउट अ ब्रोकन शोल्डर इस मगर आ जाओ यार अवार्ड फंक्शन पे ब्रोकन शोल्डर के साथ आना सबसे अच्छा होता है शास्त्रम क्यों इसे अगर जीत गए तो इस वाले हाथ में पकड़ लेना और अगर नहीं जीते तो जिस एक्टर से नफरत है जो जीतेगा ताली बजाने का ना बजाने का एक्सक्यूज है तुम्हारे पास सारी बज नहीं रही है यार कोशिश बहुत कर रहा हूँ Of course, I wasn't ready for it, so I called my friend Karan and I said, I need a jacket. So he got me this white, cool jacket. And I said, मैंने कोई white jacket पहनी नहीं है. So he said, no, Shahrukh, it'll make a statement. So I just want to tell you, hopefully the statement is not that I'm going to serve you dinner post this award function. Yeah, so I want to clarify that just in case you guys. Of course, it's also nice to see the wonderful Ranbir and Imran and Konkana, Deepika. You've done a great job, but I'll tell you the good part about breaking. I'm looking at all the positive and hopeful things. Last 10-15 मिनट के लिए आ जाओ, वहाँ पर बैठ जाओ, जल्दी से 5 एक्सप्रेशन दे दो. हाँ, किसी ने जोक क्रैक किया. ओह हो. Somber expression for Om Puri ji's speech, Lifetime Achievement Award है. What a great man, यार. And then एक angry look. मेरा दोस्त है बोलने दे यार डांटना मत बीवी ने बहुत मना किया था आशुतोष वाला एंग्री लुक एकदम गलत बात बोल रहा है स्टेज पर यार ये but you know so I just do that give my 5 expressions and go back but I would like to thank people who came to see me when I was unwell Amit ji we learned too much resilience from you thank you so much for coming and seeing me it was wonderful thank you yeah every time you see him you realize how resilient and wonderful he is so thanks a lot yes ji who came and gave me prayers for 1 hour. मुझे सिर्फ 10 मिनट ही समझ आई because इतना तेज बोलते हैं यश जी की बाकी 50 मिनट समझ नहीं आई मेरे को तो जो लोग मुझे मिलने नहीं आए उनके बारे में बात करूँगा मैंने लिस्ट बनाई है उनकी एक्चुअली I'll just tell you why I've got this list. I have this list because मैं बड़े सारे वेस्टर्न अवार्ड फंक्शन देख रहा हूँ बार-बार. They're really amazing, you know. Yeah. But एक चीज़ है जो हमारे यहाँ पर नहीं होती है. कितने भी functions में जाओ, कोई list नहीं निकालता है जल्दी से ऐसा करके ना पढ़ने को. So I'm getting very impressed by award functions, and the reason I'm very impressed this year by award functions, of course, like all of us, is because a lot of pride, a lot of greatness and goodness and talent and dignity has been brought to this country because of this film called Slumdog Millionaire. It was, yeah, really, it's been absolutely wonderful. We are film people, even people who are not film people, we have issues with films. But beyond all that, I know all of you must have woken up like me. This is the first time I've done that. I'm not deriding Oscars, but it comes too early in the morning. But I woke up to see this wonderful image of all the Indians at the Oscar, the dignity of Mr. A.R. Rahman when he walked on stage. Jai Ho, wonderful. The simplicity of Rasool Saab, you know, so simple, he's just standing there. It's so wonderful to see, makes you feel so wonderful that we make films. Of course, the intensity of Irfan as he was walking the red carpet so coolly. And the enthusiasm of Anil Saab, Anil Kapoor ji. He was so happy to be there like a little child. And all these things make you feel so, and of course, the gorgeous Frida. Gulzar Saab का मैंने एक write-up भी पढ़ा. Very insightful in spite of his tennis elbow. कि जवान लोग जो हैं, वो अब हमारे देश you don't need to be grey to win awards and bring accolades for your country now. So that is amazing insight. And despite the fact कि लोग क्या सोचते हैं फिल्म के बारे में, हम सबके viewpoints हैं and सबकी respect है उस बारे में, but one thing you'll all agree, the soul of the film, Slumdog, were the little children who have performed. So big round of applause. Because they were absolutely so heartfelt, marvelous, innocent, and the soul of this film. I mean, when you see young kids like Manjot, मैं तेरे principal ना ज़रूर कहूँगा Manjot, well done यार. So I'm going to do something for you which you must have wanted to rub shoulders with the greatest stars in the world today. So I'm going to call on stage all the young kids and all the youngsters who were part of Slumdog. So please welcome on stage, starting with Tanay, Azhar, Rubina, Ayush, co-director of the film, Navleen Tandon. Rahman Sab was here, but he left. I think his son's feeling a bit unwell. He would have been on stage with us. I just want to ask the kids, कैसा लगा वहाँ पर?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा।
मस्त लगा एकदम?
हाँ।
प्लेन में पहली बार गए थे तुम, अच्छा लगा?
हाँ।
मुझे भी पहली बार जब गया बहुत अच्छा लगा यार। अच्छा तुम बताओ, how do you feel on the red carpet?
It was amazing, you know, but Bollywood is any day better.
Well done. और बताओ तुम लोग यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियो, डिज्नी वगैरह भी गए?
हाँ।
क्या देखा वहाँ पे?
सब राइड्स में बैठे और घूमे बहुत।
हाँ।
सब स्टूडियोज देखे जहाँ पे शूट हुए।
ओके, आप बताएं, आपको कैसा लगा?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा उधर।
सबसे अच्छी चीज क्या लगी वहाँ पर?
डिज्नीलैंड और उधर पे भी गए थे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा।
और ऑस्कर अवार्ड की सेरेमनी कैसी थी?
वो बहुत अमेजिंग था।
अच्छा था?
हाँ।
अच्छा मैं काम की बात पूछता हूँ, तुम में से सबसे ज्यादा बदमाश कौन है? मुझे ये लग रहा है, अच्छा ये लग रहा है मुझे अपने काम की बात पूछनी है यार। एंजेलिना जोली मेरे बारे में पूछ रही थी यार।
मुझे तो पता नहीं।
वो बताना नहीं चाहती किसी को। And how did you feel?
I felt amazing, fantastic, but I'm really honored to be here and meeting you, especially SRK. I'm really honored to meet
thank you.
And everyone over here, there, sitting in the first row, second, third, everyone. Thank you so much.
And can I tell you, all the people here, all these great, wonderful people, Amit ji, Yash ji, Abhishek, Aishwarya, Priyanka, Om ji, all the ones who are here, Farhan, Karan, for them, Imran, Janelia, yeah, yes, of all of them, they think you guys are the biggest stars in the world tonight, right? Quick 2 questions, and this is just to honor them and bring them in front of us and let all of us learn from the fact of hope, dignity, goodness, and how wonderful they are. कैसा लगा आपको?
Well, actually, when I mean, people don't usually recognize me. I'm the middle Salim, the guy with the gun who goes around blowing people's heads off. Well, when we were facilitated and we received the Oscars in LA, it was amazing. It was like being hit by thunder. But then again, coming here and being facilitated by our very own country in front of the stars, our Bollywood stars, is more than touching.
Wow, man.
Because this is from our own country. And the film was about Mumbai and it was about our own country. So it's more than the Oscars for us.
जय हो, जय हो, जय हो। तुम्हें कैसा लगा? मैं इसको बहुत पहले से जानता हूँ।
For me, this is a very emotional moment because this stage means a lot to me, and I feel really, really honored to be on this stage, and I really, really thank you from the deepest bottoms of my heart for giving us this honor. I think whatever we are is all because of the love that you guys have given us, and I thank you a lot.
Thank you. Once again, on behalf of the 54th Idea Filmfare Awards and all of us, our whole fraternity, we really do believe you've made us very, very proud. And we thank you for being here tonight and taking us all over the world as you did. Everyone, a big round of applause for the Slumdog Millionaire team. Thank you.